Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage passive income streams with Airbnb. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by deciding on the type of property you want to list on Airbnb. Consider whether it's a spare room, an entire home, or a unique space. Research your local rental market to understand pricing and demand. Set clear goals for your passive income, such as monthly income targets. Create an Airbnb account if you don't already have one. Complete your profile by adding a profile picture and a brief bio. Ensure your property meets local regulations and zoning laws for short-term rentals. Take high-quality photos of your space to showcase its best features. Craft a compelling description that highlights unique aspects of your property. Set competitive pricing based on your market research and property features. Consider implementing a dynamic pricing strategy for peak seasons and events. Create house rules to manage guest expectations and maintain your property. List all amenities available to guests, making their stay more enjoyable. Once your listing is live, monitor its performance regularly. Respond promptly to guest inquiries to enhance your reputation. Review guest feedback and adjust your listing accordingly. Manage bookings using the Airbnb app to stay organized. Consider hiring a property manager if you're unable to manage the listing yourself. Utilize Airbnb's tools for communication and payment processing. Stay updated on local laws and Airbnb guidelines to avoid penalties. Continuously optimize your listing based on trends and feedback. Evaluate your expenses and profits to assess your income strategy. Scale your efforts by considering additional properties over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.